device project is about energy use, and it's about the interfaces that energy users, which is really all of us, whether we're driving a car or we're in a computer or we're turning on the air conditioning in your house, you're an energy user, and the place where you interact with that energy device is the user interface.
Some of the questions that we're asking with this is, how do we see energy? How do we use a visual interface to understand our energy use?
Now, we've brought together computer science, the design department at UC Davis, as well as our group of transportation researchers to work together as a team to improve these in 4 areas. One is improving energy feedback, and feedback is the information that is actually given. The second area is visualization, which refers to how do we visualize energy use in a way that's effective in changing people's understanding. The third area is usability, and usability refers to the actual ability through the interface of the user to effectively control that energy, to really understand what they're doing. The final area is social feedback or social media.
We can find a way to show people energy use in their home throughout their day through the use of their cars and other mobility tools, and that they will then make decisions both in how they use energy and over the longer term how they invest in energy using things like buildings and appliances and cars and whatever, that is more sensitive to energy use.
So we have this situation that people have a control for their home, a programmable thermostat, but the energy saving aspects have been disconnected or disabled or are not being used. We had a suspicion from the beginning that people did not use these thermostats, did not use the energy saving features in them because they were just too complicated and awkward and simply unfriendly, and therefore the easiest thing was to disable them or work around them.
When we design visualization solution, we have to consider the use of the visualization. And for analysts, we will develop better visualization tool for them to study their data. And for consumer, we will develop visualization solutions which give them more intuitive feedback about their daily energy use.
What we've seen is that people will change their behavior and save about 5% of their gas when they're shown energy information. And for people to change their behavior, one thing that's very important is that not only do they need an accurate picture of their energy consumption, they need to understand how much influence they have over that energy consumption.
The goal is to develop interfaces which can lead consumers to understand what efficiency really is. So we're hoping by creating that and studying the behavior behind it, we get industry to develop much better devices like better thermostats, better dashboards to vehicles, and make a transition to a clean and renewable energy future that way.